Welcome to the Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show, where we build your 11 Plus exam vocabulary one word at a time. Before we get into today's word, here's a reminder that we deliver live workshops throughout the year for students preparing for their 11 Plus exam. These workshops cover comprehension, verbal reasoning, writing, and maths. In the last academic year, we helped over 5,000 students. Give it a try and improve week after week. Just visit the Exam Coach website for more information. That's www.theexamcoach.tv. Today's word is avenge. It is pronounced a-venge, and it is spelt A-V-E-N-G-E. Think A and then venge. Avenge means to inflict harm in return for an injury or wrong done to oneself or another. For example, you could say, the prince avenged the murder of his father. Avenge comes from the old French avenger, meaning to take revenge. Its meaning is the same today. If you avenge something, you are taking revenge. Marvel's movie Avengers includes many of their famous superheroes, including Iron Man, Captain America, Thor, Black Widow, and the Hulk. No official reason is ever given for why the team is called the Avengers. However, they do a lot of avenging. Remember that to avenge means to inflict harm in return for an injury or wrong done to oneself or another. The Avengers fight and attack aliens and other enemies that threaten or hurt their team or Earth. Think of that next time you see the Avengers in action. Avenge is a verb, and therefore a doing word. For example, you could say, the ice hockey team were eager to avenge their previous losses. Avenge is defined in the dictionary as to do harm or punish the person responsible for something bad done to you or your family or friends in order to achieve a fair situation. Avenge's synonyms include vindicate, chastise, punish, redress, repay, requite, and revenge. Antonyms include cheer, comfort, encourage, and forgive. See if you can notice someone avenging something today. It could be your favorite sports team avenging their previous defeats, or someone in a movie avenging a villain. Either way, impress your family by using your new word today, avenge. Have a top day ahead, and we'll be back tomorrow at the same time for another Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show.